Hey, what's up? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. Today we've got a lot for you on the Godzilla 7.3 liter in our 2020 F250 Super Duty. We just did a new fully custom exhaust, which we'll let you hear that in just a second. Right here we've got our 2020 GT 500. We just recently got back from the track, went a 914 at 151. Pretty sure that trap speed's off. The car went 155 in the other lane, and it's been 155 multiple times, but time slip says 151, so we'll stick with that. Anyway, if you want to see more about that car, you can follow this link right here. There's the custom carbon fiber seats. Well, the seats aren't custom, but the embroidery is. CM components back on the back seat there did that deal. Anyway, let's see what the truck sounds like, and then we'll go ahead and talk about what we did. All right, let's go ahead and take this bad boy for a ride. I'll run it through the gears, do some watt hits, and then we'll go ahead and tell you about what's under there making that awesome noise. Okay, I don't know what you guys think about that, but I really love the way it sounds. Honestly, it's a little bit on the loud side, but the way the exhaust was built, we set it up to be probably worst case scenario as far as volume, and then we can always add resonators or other mufflers to tone it down some. But let's take a look at it real quick, and then we're going to talk about what the next mods up for the Godzilla are. That's why we're doing this. Obviously, a full exhaust like this is great either way, but we're setting it up to take advantage of the upcoming mods, which we'll go over in just a second. Let's take a look at the headers though. You can see them pretty good here from the engine bay. These are American Racing headers, 2-inch primary headers. We went that for the large cubic inch, and we're gonna try to make some real big power with this thing eventually, as much as we can on the stock engine. Can't see too much over there, but we've got 2-inch primaries down to underneath. Let me get under there and we'll try to get a good shot of the rest of the exhaust for you guys. Okay, you can see right there where the driver's side header comes down, and over there is where the passenger side comes down. They go back here, and normally the factory system goes into one exhaust pipe. Here we're keeping it 3-inch dual the whole way back. There's a little H section there for sound. Goes all the way back. And over there you can see it's got 2 Flowmaster mufflers. All V-band connections. From the mufflers back, it's all painted black. AC Carcraft took care of that for me. Reason being is I didn't want to see much of it out the back of the truck. Let's go take a look at that again. Over here you can see you've got the dual 3-inch, comes around the spare tire deal. You've got a little factory metal plate there. Kept everything kind of close to factory. And then it's a dual exhaust out. Those are 4-inch, I believe. I did want to go with a different style tip, but we wanted to kind of get this done, and I didn't want to wait. So, but I actually like these. These turned out great. Here's a little bit of a look further away. Being black, it's a little hard to see, but that's kind of what I was hoping for. So what's up next for our 7.3 liter project? Well, now it's time to actually start making big power. We've got heads and camshaft on the way from Willis Performance. For those of you guys that don't recognize that name, that's Brian Wolf's deal. Brian Wolf, do some research on him. He's the guy to pay attention on the 7.3 liter. Not only did he run Ford Racing at one point, he also was a very top level guy at Ford for the engine program. Very big guy involved with the development of this engine while he's at Ford, and he's retired now and doing tons of aftermarket stuff for it through Willis Performance. You can check out his car, which is Whipple supercharged race engine, over 1,400 crank horsepower. You can check out our buddy Evan Smith's channel, Rev and Evan. There's tons of information over there. So I'm going to be doing his heads and cam on this. Hopefully get this thing well over 600 at the crank, and then the 3.8 Whipple supercharger goes on. At that point, we're going to push it as hard as we can on the stock engine, and then we're going to build it. But wait, there's more for you Godzilla fans right over here. We've also got our Bronco Sport here, which really isn't a performance application, but we're going to be tuning that right here, guys. This is another Godzilla engine. We spoke about doing a Godzilla swap. That is still in the plans. Just have to find a little bit of room to get all this stuff done and worked on, but that is still coming. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends. We've got the GT500 continuing on. We've got the Godzilla 7.3 liter truck. We've got the Godzilla swap. We've got NA projects, twin turbo projects, all kinds of stuff coming up for you guys in 2021. We're going to be trying to post a new video every few days, so make sure you stick around, and we'll see you on the next one.